Hello everyone, my name is Akanksha and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to do this newspaper print nail art. It's really simple, so let's get started. But first, if you're new to my channel, then hit that subscribe button for more such videos. And you can also follow me on Instagram, the link is in description down below. Now here are the products that I used for this nail art. A peel off base coat by Miniso, one white nail paint, one black nail paint, and then a transparent top coat nail paint. This is by Maybelline Color Show. A perfume, any perfume you like. One cavity tray, you can use any bowl for water. A couple of Q-tips, one pair of tweezers, and of course a newspaper. Now first I'm applying this base coat and then just let it dry for about 15 minutes. This is a peel off nail paint from Miniso, and what I like about this nail paint is once you're done with your nail art after a few days or a week, you can just peel it right off and you don't need any remover to do so. Next I'm applying the white and the black nail paints, a base again, and I'll be doing the newspaper print only on the white nail paint base. And then again, once applied, I'll let it dry for about 15 minutes or so. Next I'm taking the newspaper cutouts of the prints I want on my nails and then just fill the cavity tray with some water. Next I'm spraying these cutouts with perfume and then soak it in the water. And I'm going to let it sit in the water for about 3 minutes. After that, take it out and spray it once again with perfume and then just put it aside for a few more seconds. And then put it face down of the print that I want on my white nail paint base and then press it. Now one thing that I didn't do on all the other nails but I experimented on the last one and it really helped actually. Just soak a Q-tip in the water and then apply it over the newspaper, and it really helps transfer the ink on the nail, and this one came out to be the best. And then just wipe around the nail with the same Q-tip so that all the extra ink stain on the skin just comes right out. Then just wait for about 15 more minutes and then finish it off with a top coat. If you don't wait for the ink to completely dry, then once you apply the top coat, the ink may smudge. And here it is done, my newspaper print nail art. If you enjoyed this video, then hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है.